If someone calls me the N-word, should I respond? My self-pride is not allowed to ignore it. No, akhi, if someone calls you the N-word, you can say, akhi, hold, what are you talking about? Don't you dare call me to do that. But I would say that a person should, in this country, try to restrain from violence, only because akhi, we don't know what the person could have a knife on them. The person may try to bring you to attack, and the person might stab you, the person might shoot you. Akhi, we don't know what people have with them. It's not a safe country in that way. It's relatively safe, but akhi, stabbings and killings happen. And Allah said, وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى التَّهْلُكَةِ. Don't throw yourself into destruction. If you can talk to him properly and give him da'wah, khalas. Tell him, akhi, don't ever. But if you want to warn him and say, don't ever say that to me. If you say that to me, there's problems. I can't tell you don't do that. Fighting him and things like that, I personally, everyone is judging, everyone does what they, I can't tell you how to make a split-second decision. I can't tell you, Akhi al-Kareem, what to do when you're in a split-second decision. I can't tell you that. But what I'd say is, always try to stay away from as much trouble as you can, because people can sometimes make mistakes, make very costly mistakes because they're angry.